What up, y'all? It's your boy Zach ESJ over here. We coming to you live as usual. Thank you for tuning in to the 240SX series exclusive done by me and your boy here. So once we got the car running, we sprung a fuel leak. So that kind of just made us drop the entire rear end as well as the tank. We dropped the rear end last week. I didn't get any vids on that. I'm pretty much going to go ahead and clean this all up. I'm going to bring all that crust back to black. And then I'm also going to play with the idea of installing 300ZX axles. And then I also have like a S13 Rocket Bunny diff. But as you can see, subframe collars, everything, new bushing is going to be put in as well. And that'll be all set. I want to move on to the other side. What we actually did here today was we dropped the tank. That was really important to see because it kind of forecasted our work schedule for the next couple weeks. The tank's pretty dirty. As you guys see, let me go ahead. I got it on the creeper right here. It's good though that we were able to find the tank leak because it did occur in like a really common spot for 240X SXs. These fuel tanks usually will crack right where the fuel straps sit, just because of the pressure over time. I'm going to try to edit it better in the video, but this is going to be the left-hand side, the passenger side of the tank. Yeah, I don't even have to edit that. You can definitely see that. Our plan here is going to go ahead and we're going to try to run this tank one more time. I'm going to try to plasti weld it and see if that holds. My plasti weld jobs are going to be pretty good, so I'm hoping that's going to hold. But if it doesn't, I have no problem buying a tank. I think they're still available online as well as like Marketplace or something locally. But other than that, we're going to wrap it up for this week. I'm probably going to make it back out of here next week, and we'll tune back in.